When this vintage Afghan Bukhara carpet arrived at our workshop, it was in heartbreaking condition, carefully packed by the courier. Once we opened the box, the carpet was tied, revealing its sad state. As we untied it, we found it covered in dust and dirt with severely worn-out piles and large portions damaged. The borders were cut from both sides around 8 to 12 inches, and parts of the design were lost. This carpet is a vintage Afghan Bukhara, old, emotional, and full of sentimental value for the client, who remembers it from their childhood. Our master artisans with over 30 years of expertise began the hand and needle re-knotting process, embracing time-honored traditional techniques passed down through generations. We carefully re-knotted every worn and torn section, thread by thread, knot by knot, matching the original colors and intricate patterns with precision and care. Each stitch was a step towards rebirth. Slowly, this damaged piece of heritage transformed into a magnificent restored masterpiece, echoing the exact memory our client held from childhood. We trimmed and shaped the pile to perfection, giving it a finish that felt smooth, looked rich, and breathed new life into the carpet. This is not just restoration, this is resurrection. The carpet regained its natural shine, original strength, and soulful beauty. At Royal Carpet Restorations, we revive more than carpets. We restore emotions and memories. As India's premier studio for restoring tribal Persian antique and Oriental masterpieces, we promise to transform your worn-out treasure into the carpet you first fell in love with.